it.
Lady catches a falling doggo to save him from serious injury and a possible death. Doesn't look like that height's going to result in death. Maybe it's a little puppy or something.
Doggo? Is that a thing?
Or a dog. Just a dog. It just Reddit and the internet.
Cat.
Doggos.
I'm new to all this. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
No,
They don't have them in Calgary, so.
All right.
No doggos in Calgary.
No, they're just called dogs there, Will.
It's brought to you by Ring.com.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
That was impressive. Wow.
Look at the dude. He didn't budge.
He's like, oh.
And that's not a small dog.
Way bigger than I expected.
Yeah.
And I didn't think the dog would be coming out of a window.
She says, get back, like pushes him out of the way.
She does.
Wow. She's like a real life superhero.
So
It did injure its back leg by the looks of it, but she got most of it. Like, it's going to be okay. Let's get one more replay on that. She sees it. Good reaction time. Yeah, it still slammed its back legs, but she saved its life.
Yeah, it would have been done for.
It's a Aussie Shepherd. I think that's a medium-sized dog.
50 pounds?
Yeah.
45 maybe?
Wow.
Yeah, it's... the thing is, in the moment, being able to react in the moment as opposed to freezing, to having that that kind of shock moment.
Some kind of instinct.
Of where you just kind of watch it happen. She didn't have that. She acted almost immediately when she saw what was going on. So the key is the speed. She goes, no, I'm getting there. Bang. Wow.
This guy's frozen.
Yeah, he's the one that's frozen.
Like,
he just can't even believe it.
What just happened? Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a cool one, Will.
So, is it her? It's her dog, I guess.
Well, that could be an apartment building. I mean, it could be hers. It could be a neighbor's. I mean, I don't know what the dog.
It would make sense if it is
dog
hers because she's out front. Maybe she'll have the window open or the balcony, and then the dog is trying to.
But she, I would think if it's hers, she would say the name of the dog.
Oh, right.
In this case, she said, "Oh my God."
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that you would.
Maybe
in that circumstance, I don't know that. It's also would a random dog do that, or would a dog of the owner be more inclined?
That's what I was thinking. Yeah,
because it's like, oh, she's outside, I'm going
Just
too.
shock.
Like that, the dog would be encouraged to go outside because the owner was out front with the door closed,
right?
As opposed to a random dog that might not be quite as interested. I don't know. It's hard to tell from.
It's definitely not a puppy.
No.
Look like it.
No. Definitely not.
but yeah, we don't know if it jumped or if it was just hanging or I don't know. We don't know where it was situated prior to falling.
Wow. Yeah, it's definitely unusual. You don't expect to see a dog jumping out of a second-story window,
Or someone catching him in a quick reaction.
or it all be captured on Ring doorbell.